Today we're doing a cabin filter in a 2020 Honda Pilot. Cabin air filter is going to be behind the glove box door, so we need to lower that by pushing in the sides, kind of holding the glove box down while we do it to get it to drop down. Okay, like that. You can see these are the glove box stoppers here. This damper cord, just be careful with it. You don't want to put too much strain on it, so don't lean on the glove box. Cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. To take it out, we're going to go ahead and push this tab in, pull towards us. Okay. Take all this out here. And your filter is going to come out of this holder. Get your new one. Looking for airflow direction. This one says down. The airflow direction is down. Stick it in the right way. It just goes right in there. If you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up an upgraded filter. Let me just get this and stick it right back in here like so. Slide it in. Close the glove box, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another Honda video.